There's something about being passionate with what you do. I'm so very passionate about showing you how you can get things done in your kitchen. I'm so passionate about cooking. I'm so passionate about seeing people eat certified. I like people eat my food and say, wow, this is awesome, this is nice. That is why I decided to open up this channel. So by the time you watch my video, by the time you come across my channel, subscribe, like and comment, you will be getting the videos of the things you can do in your home. People will eat, even you yourself, you eat and be like, wow, was I able to achieve this? Yes. With that being said, guys, let me show you how you can make suya right in your own kitchen. You don't need to go on and eat what you don't know about out there.
First thing you have to do is to get your meat in this shape. You don't need to pieces it in the market. Okay, once you get your meat in this kind of shape or any other shape, or just let it be together, you go ahead and cut them in fillets. Cut them to be very flat and the shape you may want. Okay, so as you watch this video, I just hope you understand all that I did. Of course, I tried to make it in a very simple way. Okay, just sit tight, don't forget to comment, like and share. Okay.
Done cutting them in fillet or trying to make them flat. I was done already, so I got my baking paper. If you don't have baking paper, you can use nylon. So get it covered a little bit and heat it with whatever you have. You can use stone, but because I have coconut around and I don't want that on my meat, so I just use coconut to heat it a little bit, and this will make it to be soft and easy to cook. Okay. You have to do is to transfer to the container where you'll be marinating it. So I did that, and then I'll be using this suya stick. They call it drumstick. So I got it, but if you don't have it or you cannot get around, it's fine. We go ahead to marinate the meat using any spice of your choice. In this video, I use just seasoning cube, salt, ginger garlic powder, and of course suya pepper. Add a good quantity of it to your meat and then allow to marinate. I allowed mine to marinate overnight, but if you're in a hurry, you can just allow it to marinate at least 3 to 4 hours. Of course, I'll be dropping the ingredients used in my description box. Please don't forget to check it out. As you continue to watch this video to the end, I'm sure your suya will come out nice, just as mine. My sweetheart, if you're still watching this video to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I'll be so excited to welcome you on board. was done fixing them into the stick, remember I soaked this stick in order for it not to break in the process of roasting this meat. Okay, after that, I went ahead to use my air fryer to do the finishing part. You can use your oven, you can use your grilling machine, or whatever mix you have to make your suya, but in this process I use my air fryer. Guys, our suya came out very nice, crispy and tasty. Don't forget to always use your suya pepper in a very generous way. Okay, I finished it up with suya, pepper, tomatoes, onions, cucumber. You can also add cabbage if you have around. So guys, my suya is ready. Get a plate, one for me, one for you. And don't forget to comment, like and share. If you have not done so, I would love to welcome you on board and see you in my next video. You can use your toothpick, you can use your fingers to eat it up, guys. This is so yummy. I mean, this is so yummy and delicious, guys. The best part is that you can serve it with a meal. I served it with my fried rice and it came out nice. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye guys.